I am going to tell about second module, that is learning outcomes at the primary level. Okay, based on the curricular expectations for English language learning at the primary stage, a set of learning outcomes for each class has been developed by NCERT New Delhi. Teaching letters of the alphabet in isolation or memorization without understanding is to be avoided. Reading corners or class libraries may be developed to provide children relevant, illustrated and age-appropriate children's literature in English and home language. The teacher should observe children for assessment when they are engaged in activities, keeping in mind differently abled children as well. Then the learning outcomes is prioritized in following points. First of all, the students remembering, then understanding, then applying, then analysis, then evaluation, then creating. So these are the points are linked with in content. So teachers are able to understand these 6 points, the students to apply everyone. First one, the level 1, that is remembering. Can the learner recall or remember the information? Then the following words are used. Example, define, duplicate, list, memorize, recall, repeat, state. Then second one level, can the learner explain ideas or concepts? That is example of the assessment, classify, describe, discuss, explain. Then third level, can the learner use information in the new way? That is choose, demonstrate, employ, illustrate, interpret, etc. Then level 4, can the learner distinguish between different parts? Example for compare, contrast, circle, differentiate, experiment. Then level 5, can the learner justify a stand or decision? Example for appraise, define, judge, select, etc. Then level 5, can the learner create a new product or point of view? Example for assemble, construct, create, design, develop, formulate, write, etc. So these are the hierarchical thinking in Bloom's taxonomy. So this is the development of the cognitive development, that is simple to complex format, that is first subject, then set, then guided response, then mechanism, then adoption, then organization. These following factors or these following hierarchical thinking to improve the students to attain the concept at the mastery level. So the learning outcomes should improve the students at the mastery level. So the 6 points of the Bloom's taxonomy should be adopted in this following, that is remembering, understanding, analyzing, evaluating, creating. So each and every step is important in the classroom situation. Thank you.